the fight brigade. So tonight we are losing this fight.
Hello guys, you are watching the Indian Shopper, and today I'm going to show you top 5 gadgets you can buy from Amazon India just under 1000 rupees. So let us begin. So before we start, subscribe to the channel The Indian Shopper and don't forget to press the bell icon to get all the new video notifications. At number 5 we have Cool Monkey Anti-Theft Backpack. Fourth position goes to Jyoti 8x Mobile Telescope HD Lens Kit. Third position goes to motion sensor activated glow light for toilet in the bathroom.
Stop fumbling in the dark and light the way. Choose a fixed color or carousel mode, which will cycle seamlessly through every shade of color inside your toilet bowl. When activated, motion sensor detects body heat to automatically illuminate the room when you enter and turn off when you leave.
In second position we have Tasler USB LED clock fan with real-time display function. At number 1 we have SITC plastic musical pot with Bluetooth speakers. for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and check my other videos too. Until next time, goodbye.